At the Elkhart County Fair I eat. The selection here can never be beat. With so many choices that are great, it makes me really want to celebrate.
It makes me really want to celebrate.
I eat cheese bites, waffle fries, nachos, candy apples, pork ribs, fried pickles, smoked crust, strawberries, bratwurst, pickled chips, deviled eggs, catfish, strawberry shortcake, fried green tomato stack, street corn, apple pie, corn fritters, sloppy joes, chili fries, hoagies, grilled cheese, and more, please. I eat at the fair, man.
Oh, it's fried, or it's grilled on a stick. You can dip it in a chocolate or you make it real quick. La la la, we're eating at the fair. La la la, it's the best food anywhere.
Okay, at this fair you'll have a lot of fun. There's lots of great things for everyone. Yummy good food is in the air. Here at Salmon Caves the air. So when you're in the mood for something good to eat, you can always find the most perfect treat. A visit to this fair will make your day complete.